Hello, in this lesson we are going to learn adding eaves and skylights frame section assignments of rafters. Let's get started. Let's create a new model. File, New Project. Frame section assignments. Portal frame. Type 101. Default parameters. And I press OK. Model is creating. Our model is created. To assign eave and roof sky, click Model tab, click X-axis, and select the terrace. Then click Edit button. Now we have options here. I said the skylight exists, and also exist eaves left and exist eaves right. The eaves length fixed and it's equal to half of the purlin distance. And the skylight height is HS parameters, and here I make it 1 meter. I click OK. Apply changes. Now our eaves and skylight is ready. Let's assign rafter beams. Primary members, beam truss, and select the upper chord. The steel grade is default. You can change the section type, Castella available, and also box type available. I set hash type and select the profile series. I select IPA. You can define the skylight here. The section type is box and default, and you can define the series here. Let's change it. Then press Apply Change button. Our haunch zones are defined on the Model tab, X-axis, and select Truss and the Edit button. As we learned before, this parameter defines the reinforcement part of the rafter, and also this parameter defines the reinforced part of the end of rafter. I click OK. Let's see the section. After statistical analysis, cost estimation, then cross section. Our section is ready. We assigned the rafter IPA section, and our eaves are ready, and we have a skylight. See you next lesson.